Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to delete slots in Sakura School Simulator. First, begin by launching the game and reaching the main title screen. From there, you will need to access the System Settings or Options menu, which is typically found among the primary selections. Once inside, look for sections specifically dedicated to save data or load game management. This area is where all your saved progress is stored and can be modified. Once you are in the Save Data Management section, you will see a clear list of all your existing save slots. These are usually numbered, perhaps from 1 to 10, and each one provides a brief overview of the game progress within it, including details like the percentage completed or the total time played. It is crucial to review this information thoroughly and carefully select only the specific slot that you intend to delete, as this action is irreversible. After you have identified the correct save slot, proceed to select the Delete or Erase option that is typically presented alongside it. The game will then display a crucial confirmation prompt. This is a safety measure designed to prevent any accidental deletion of your valuable game progress. Read the prompt carefully, and if you are absolutely certain about your decision, confirm your choice to permanently remove all data from that specific save slot. Upon successful deletion, you will notice that the selected slot no longer appears in your list of available save files. It is very important to remember that this action is completely final and irreversible. Once the data is gone, it cannot be recovered. With the slot now empty, you have the option to create a brand new save file in that position, allowing you to begin a fresh game whenever you desire. Enjoy your new start.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.